Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ruin. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, seriously. So without any much more blabbering, let's jump into the video. So as you already read from the title, it's about people who are talking behind your back and they are bitching about you in general. Like I know, trust me, this happens with me all the time. Like if I say in my college, like not all the people are happy about what am I doing with my anything with my YouTube or whatever with my life. I just personally don't understand why people have to talk about your life in general. Like don't they have their own fucking life? Don't they have their own fucking issues to be solved? Why they have to ना कराने की क्यों जरूरत है किसी के भी लाइफ में? मुझे ये समझ नहीं आता. And people always like she is something doing this, she is doing that, she is talking like this on her YouTube channel, and I don't know who's even watching a video. She's always like, hey guys, come back to my channel. They literally copy everything as I do, and they bitch about me all the time. But one thing that I realized, that I don't fucking care. Whatever you want to think about me, just do it. I don't fucking care. If you want to say me, hey, YouTuber, yeah, I would take that as a compliment. Seriously. Keep it on. I really don't care. Because this is something that I really want to do. I'm passionate about my YouTube channel, and I don't think that because of your fucking opinions, I'm gonna change it. I really enjoy what I do. And if you don't like my content, or as of me, the way I'm talking or the way I'm doing anything, just stop watching me. Just unfollow me. Just fucking get out of my life. I don't care. I don't want your negative comments, your negative vibes in my life at all. And all the people who say that whoever people who are bitching about you, about your life, about your decisions, or about something that you do, you make videos, you like making TikTok videos, you like making reels, just fucking do it. I know it affect me on the deepest level, but now I realized, who are they to judge me? They are fucking judging me, and they are not my friends at all. I don't even know them. Just fuck off. Who are you to make my decisions and to tell me that anything that I am doing that is making me happy, I stop doing that? Why should I? Why should I consider your opinion as something to stop myself from whatever that making me happy? I would not. So just remember one thing, that if anyone is making you feel like shit, if anyone's talking you that you shouldn't do that, you shouldn't wear that, why the fuck you shouldn't? If that's if wearing that skirt, if wearing that dress, if wearing that shorts making you feel happy, making you feel good about yourself, why won't you wear it? Just do it. Fuck what they say. Seriously, life is too short to be think about all the things that they say and regret later that, oh my god, I should have done that. And because honestly, I'm saying this because I'm just too happy right now, and last few weeks this happened with me. Literally, this happens with me all the time. I would say each and every day, and every time what I think in my mind is, what, I'm doing something which you can't, and that's why you're talking about this, and that's why you're talking about myself or me, because you don't have any goals, or you don't have anything to do with your life, or you don't have literally anything interesting or something that you are passionate about in your life. So you are bitching about me and something that I'm doing, and I'm doing great in that. So what, anyone is bitching about you or saying saying shitty thing about you, I just want to say, just don't give them attention they want, because literally they don't need a single second of attention of your life. You are doing so great. And yeah, I just want to say one thing, that I didn't realize that making these videos are making me literally so confident that even I am right now feeling much more confident than I was when I started my channel. And now I can talk about anything, and now I don't care. Of course it affects me, but I try my best to not let that affect me on a deeper level, because I know this is not something that I want to do with my life. I am clear on that. So yeah, if you are passionate about anything, just fucking do it. Just give it a try. They can't do it, they can't be you, and that's what bothering them. They are not confident as you are. And everything, just imagine that why are they talking like this? Because deep down even they know that you are doing something which they can't, and they don't have that guts to put themselves out on the internet or on YouTube or anywhere. All they have is a screen, and they want to type a negative comment on you because they are not happy with their own fucking life. That's all I want to say, and this is so true. So whenever someone do this, just don't take that personally, because they are not happy about their life, but you are, and you are doing great, honey. So yeah, and I hope this video helped, and I just wanted to make sure that whatever you are doing, just don't let those negative comments or that those backbitching people let you down, because they don't deserve you, seriously. So just keep on going, and you'll be proud of yourself one day, and you will be think that, oh, they needed my attention and I didn't give them, and that's a win-win. So yeah, on that note, I'm gonna end my today's video, and yes, please let me know in the comment section below if you have any experience like this, and if you are going through something like this. I would like to know, and I would like to talk about on my next video. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, like, share, comment, all the deals, that. So yeah, we'll see you guys in my next video.